And here's how to publish a brand new WordPress website from cPanel. Log into your cPanel, and from your cPanel, you have to open softaculous apps installer. You can use search toolbox from your cPanel to find out softaculous. Open it, and here you find WordPress. Click on WordPress, and you directly jump into WordPress dashboard in cPanel. Here, click on Install Now. And now, if you have SSL certificate installed in your domain, then here choose protocol, select HTTPS for your domain. And now click on this choose domain drop down and select the domain in which domain you want to publish the WordPress website. And now write here your site name, site description, and here you find WordPress admin account details. Write here admin username for your WordPress admin dashboard. Write here your admin password. If you want, you can add here an email address. And after that, click on install. And here it may take some moments to install WordPress in your domain. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully published a brand new WordPress website in my domain. Let's view my website. And here's a very basic website. And now to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, just click on this link and you directly jump into your WordPress admin dashboard. WordPress admin dashboard, you can go ahead and customize your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.